BAE Systems awarded Korea Aerospace Industries contract to equip KF-21 aircraft with new identification friend or foe systems. BAE Systems secured contract for KF-21 IFF upgrade. In December 2025, BAE Systems announced that it had been awarded an $11 million contract by Korea Aerospace Industries, KAI, to integrate advanced identification friend or foe technology into South Korea's KF-21 Boramae fighter aircraft. This deal involves equipping the KF-21 with BAE's AN/APX 127V1 Combined Interrogator Transponder, CIT, which serves as a drop-in replacement for the existing AN/APX 126V system used on prototype aircraft. The AN/APX 127V1 enhances the aircraft's ability to identify friendly forces versus potential threats in complex, contested environments, supporting improved decision-making and bolstering South Korea's national defense strategy. According to BAE Systems Combat Identification Products Program Area Director Seth Guanu, the APX 127 Combined Interrogator Transponder will equip the KF-21 aircraft with state-of-the-art IFF to help bolster the Republic of Korea's national defense strategy. Integration work is being conducted at BAE Systems facilities in Green Lawn, New York, and Austin, Texas, with deliveries and certification expected in 2026. The KF-21 Boramae is a 4.5-generation multirole fighter developed by KAI aimed at replacing older aircraft in the Republic of Korea Air Force and potentially for export markets. This contract highlights ongoing international collaboration in aerospace defense, with the KF-21 program progressing toward full production and operational deployment in the coming years. No major updates on this specific deal have surfaced since the initial announcement in mid-December 2025.